Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ziam Medicos, and today we have to briefly explain the chemistry of mefenamic acid, which is commonly available on the brand name of Ponstan and Ponstan Fort, having potency of 250 and 500 mg. Firstly discuss the basic pharmacology of mefenamic acid. So the mefenamic acid is a member of anthranilic acid derivative class of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, which generally exhibit its action by inhibiting the activity of COX enzyme COX-1 and COX-2 and prostaglandin synthesis. It has a strong analgesic and antipyretic activity, but it has a weak anti-inflammatory drug. So this medicine is well suited for fever and pain, but not well prescribable for anti-inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, etc. Its chemical IUPAC name is 2,2,3-dimethylphenyl aminobenzoic acid, and from this IUPAC name, his actual name mefenamic acid is to be derived. It is well prescribable analgesic drug for mild to moderate pain, fever, musculoskeletal pain, joint pain, soft tissues pain, muscle ache, headache, dental pain and trauma pain. It is also been well recommended for primary dysmenorrhea, abdominal pain in menstruation or before the menstruation cycle, stomach pain, menorrhagia, and it also be used for postpartum and post-operative pain. Its initial starting dose for adults and children is 250 mg of tablet for every 6 hours as per needed, and usually it is not been used for longer than 1 week. It should be administered with meal followed by full glass of water or milk in order to avoid gastrointestinal esophageal irritation. You have to be use it with antacid if stomach upset will be apparent. Mefenamic acid may cause allergic reactions, epigastric pain, gastric ulcer, peptic ulcer, decreased urinary output and renal impairment. So be consult to your physician if any one of these symptoms may appear. Mefenamic acid may also cause drowsiness, so use caution while driving or any other activity which use mental alertness. Mefenamic acid is contraindicated in patient of having hypersensitivity to mefenamic acid or cross sensitivity to any non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug and aspirin also. It may also be cause serious health issue in pregnant and lactating women. So this is all about these medicine. If this video bring enhance your information, so kindly acknowledge our efforts and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.